In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Photos from other devices. If you want to view your saved pictures and videos on a different phone, tablet, or computer, the process is very simple. The main thing you need is access to the same Google account where your photos are stored. As long as your images have been backed up to Google Photos, you can open them from almost any device with an internet connection. To get started, make sure you log in to your Google account. This is important because Google Photos is connected directly to your account, so using the correct login is what gives you access to your personal photo library. If you have more than one Google account, take a moment to confirm that you're signing in to the one that contains the photos you want to see. This can help you avoid confusion later if your library doesn't appear right away. Next, open a web browser on the device you want to use and then log into your account there. You can do this on a laptop, desktop computer, tablet, or even another phone. Any modern browser should work fine. If the device is shared with other people, it's a good idea to be mindful of your privacy and make sure you're using your own account only while you need it. Once you're signed in, go to the browser's search or address bar and enter photos.google.com. This will take you directly to Google Photos on that device. After the page loads, you should be able to access your photo library, browse your albums, and view your backed up images and videos just like you would on your main device. If your photos don't appear immediately, give the page a moment to load and double check that you signed in with the correct Google account. In many cases, missing photos are simply the result of being logged into a different account than the one used for backup. A stable internet connection also helps everything load more smoothly, especially if you have a large photo library. That's all it takes. Log into your Google account, open a browser, and go to photos.google.com to access Google Photos from another device. It's a quick and convenient way to reach your memories whenever you need them, no matter which device you're using.